Good morning and welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day, where I show you guys some really healthy meal ideas, recipes, as well as some other exciting stuff in this video. So this morning I had my normal black coffee, plus I hydrated with some electrolytes, which I will talk about in a sec. But first I need to make a smoothie because I did my workout. I did all of my morning routine, which if you haven't seen my morning routine reel, I'm gonna leave that down below. And I've been having a green smoothie almost every day since the new year, and I feel really good on it. It's a great way to hydrate in the morning. Oh, that's what I forgot the lemon. So this is what's going in the green smoothie. We've got cucumber, cilantro, gonna add some greens powder. That's just some leftover coffee. Some walnut milk and ginger. The biggest game changer has been the fresh aloe. Fresh aloe is really great for digestion, for skin, and honestly, I've noticed a difference in my skin and digestion since adding this to my morning smoothie. You only add in the center gel though, you don't add in the skin. So there you have the green smoothie full of wonderful ingredients, along with a very sleepy puppy. All right, as you guys can now tell, I am showered, my hair is dried, we are ready for the day. About to make breakfast, but before I do, I wanna talk about today's sponsor, which is LMNT. You guys know I have been a big fan of LMNT since, I wanna say almost a year now. I use it every single day, so this is such an exciting, natural sponsorship. I was over the moon when they reached out and I was like, hell yes. So if you guys have not heard me talk about LMNT, I talk about it all the time on my Instagram. They are an electrolyte packet. They come in packets like this. I have one at least every single day. It has so many minerals in it for you. And the great thing about LMNT is that it's gluten-free, paleo, keto-friendly, sugar-free, and is made with only the best ingredients. I find a lot of electrolyte powders can have a lot of other stuff in it, and I'm a big fan of this formulation. So I like to buy big boxes like this, but I did also put some of the sampler packs because I was running low here. So they have, I believe, 7 different flavors. The chocolate salt is really good in like smoothies or coffee, but then my favorite, see if you can find it, they have spicy ones. This one, the raspberry salt is my favorite, or the citrus salt. And these little convenient packets are so easy. I always travel with some, keep them in my purse for on the go. And like I said, I have at least one of these per day. And oh gosh, it's barking. And it can be really important on a lower carb or like even a whole foods diet. We oftentimes don't necessarily get all the electrolytes that we need. Then you might feel like headaches or sluggish or muscle cramping. I notice a night and day difference when I have one of these a day versus when I don't. So like I said, huge fan. Even though I eat clean and eat healthy, as you guys know, adding this is like a game changer. Oftentimes when people, don't have energy or have cravings in between meals and all that, it's often an electrolyte balance. So a packet of like LMNT a day can really, really help. And they were nice enough to give me a huge opportunity for you guys to try it for yourself. So they're gonna give you guys a free sampler pack. You get to try all 7 flavors. My favorite, like I said, the raspberry, the citrus, and the chocolate. They also have some spicy ones too, if you like some spicy, but you can get that sent to your door. All you have to do is pay shipping, and it's $5 for the US. So $5 to try 7 different ones. They are so good. I've already, I know, turned so many of you guys onto LMNT last year, 2021. So I know this year, so many of you guys are gonna discover my love and how much of a difference it makes in how I feel, energy, workout recovery, feeling good, especially if you are also someone who burns through a lot of energy as well, and you do any kind of energy work, then you're gonna love LMNT. So I'm gonna leave a link down there to try it out for yourself. Definitely get the sampler pack and let me know which one is your favorite. All right, so this is everything you need for seedy porridge. Seeds, obviously, so we have chia seed, flax seed, hemp seed, and then unsweetened nut milk and vanilla. So we have the finished seedy paleo porridge. Some raspberries on top, unsweetened chocolate chips. These are the ones I use from Trader Joe's. They're just plain unsweetened cacao. Slivered almonds, nut butter, yum. All right, it is time for lunch. It is, what, 1:20. On Mondays, I tend to have more time to make something because I don't have calls versus like Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays. I'm usually in between calls and eating something really quick. So I'm gonna actually make lion's mane crab cakes. Lion's mane is a mushroom. You guys know I've been a big fan of lion's mane for years. It's great for your brain. It actually looks like a brain. I'll show you in a second, along with a salad. So we're going to test out that. I got the lion's mane at a farmer's market this weekend and I was like, oh, it looks so fun. I want to cook with lion's mane because like food is medicine, right? There's so much nourishment, good stuff in food that we're going to be getting in this recipe. So yeah, let's go ahead and make some. All right, so this is the lion's mane mushroom. Doesn't it look incredible? Look, it looks like a brain. And we're gonna be shredding this up, adding some mayo, some herbs, and making it into crab cakes. All right, so in my bowl, I have some ground mustard, almond flour, vegan mayo, a touch of psyllium husk, and some coconut aminos. I'm gonna put the cooked lion's mane mushroom in there. And I cooked it briefly first to make sure that there wasn't too much water in them so that they get nice and crispy. And then we'll add in some green onion, cook those up, and have a little side salad. All right, so this is my finished bowl. We have the spinach, tomato, cucumber, sunflower sprouts that I got at the farmer's market. I love sunflower sprouts. They're loaded with extra vitamins and minerals. And then we have the lion's mane crab cakes, some of this basil pesto. It's like a dairy-free dip thing that I got at the farmer's market. And then what you saw me drizzling on top was also something from the farmer's market. It's eggplant, walnuts, garlic, and olive oil. To kind of use that as a dressing. I'm also gonna have some of this immunity elixir. And I dug out one of my raw vegan gluten-free brownies. I'll link the video down below. It's like my recent start video. They're so good and fudgy. And then, yeah, this is obviously just for health. It's got turmeric, a bunch of good herbs in it. I got it at the same place I got the lion's mane at the farmer's market. All right, guys, good evening. Is it evening? I don't know. It's like 5:15. It is 5:15. I've been trying to eat earlier, basically eating for my human design, which is direct light, and you're supposed to eat before the sun goes down. So I'm testing it out. I mean, I don't do it every day. On days I have late client calls, I don't, but we're gonna do it today. We're gonna do like a beef and broccoli type of quick dish. Honestly, one of my go-tos. You just need beef, broccoli, coconut aminos, some garlic, maybe some ginger in there. Anyways, it's easy and delicious, so that is what we are going to have. Actually, I opened the fridge and saw these rambutans, which I bought at the farmer's market, and I'm actually gonna eat those first, and then I'm gonna cook dinner. If you haven't ever seen rambutans, this is what they look like. They are, I'll cut it open and show you. Tastes like a lychee, basically, but yeah, we're gonna have like a little, let's have a little appetizer. There we go, kind of see it. Alrighty, so you get your knife, you get your rambutan. You make a slit in it, then it pops open, and then you can pop the rest off, and then there's a seed in the middle, so you want to eat around the seed. Yummy. All right, so we got our beef. This is 100% grass-fed, all natural, organic ground beef, broccoli, and then I have some of this organic coleslaw mix that I'm gonna add in. It works well in like Asian-y style dishes, so that's what we're gonna do. All right, while things cook, I'm just making the sauce. So this is coconut aminos, tahini, a little bit of arrow starch, water, and ground ginger. All right, we got Akasha being a camel in the background. We got our ground beef, cabbage, and broccoli, some cauliflower rice. Smells amazing. It is the creamy tahini in the sauce that makes it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this what I eat in a day. I'm probably gonna have some tea. I normally have a chamomile tea, which I will show you if I do. You would have seen that before this. We got Akasha eating, so you can hear her munching on her dinner in the background. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to pick up your free sampler pack of LMNT. And I will leave my last what I ate in a day here on the screen so you can watch that after this. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.